In this guide, I'll show you how to unlink your Roblox account from your PlayStation Network account on PS4 and PS5. So, the first thing you want to do is actually open up a web browser and go to roblox.com. And then you want to sign into the same Roblox account you're using on your PlayStation. Then, what you want to do is select the settings cogwheel in the top right corner and you want to go to settings. From here, you want to select security on the left sidebar, and then you want to scroll down on this page, and just underneath security is where you should be able to see PlayStation. So it's going to say you're connected with a PlayStation account, and what you want to do is click on disconnect. Then, if you have a PIN associated with your account, you're going to have to input it now, and then you want to click on unlock. Then you should no longer see it, and then you want to actually go onto your PlayStation, and if you had Roblox open, be sure to close it and boot it back up again, and then it'll prompt you to sign into a new Roblox account. This guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.